Buying coffee at a cafe might feel like a small expense, but it adds up fast. $5 coffee every weekday costs you $25 a week, over $100 a month. Instead, invest in a quality coffee maker or a French press. Brew your coffee at home for a fraction of the cost. Not only will you save money, but you'll also avoid the extra calories from sugary drinks. That $100 monthly savings into an investment account, and over time it could grow into thousands of dollars. Small changes like this can lead to big financial rewards. Dining out or ordering takeout can easily cost $15–20 per meal, especially if you do it multiple times a week. By cooking at home, you can prepare delicious meals for a fraction of the price. Start by planning your meals for the week, buying groceries in bulk, and using simple recipes. Not only will you save money, but you'll also eat healthier. Even cutting back on takeout by just 1 or 2 meals a week could save you $100 or more monthly. Use those savings to invest and grow your wealth. When was the last time you checked your subscription services? Many of us pay for streaming platforms, gym memberships, or apps we rarely use. Take a few minutes to review your bank statements and cancel anything you don't actively use. Even cutting out a couple of $10 subscriptions could save you $20 a month. For a year, that's $240 you could invest. Compound interest, that small amount could grow significantly. Don't let unused subscriptions drain your wallet. Put that money to work for you. Buying lunch every day can cost $10 to $15, which quickly adds up to $200 or $300 a month. Instead, prepare your lunch at home. Sandwiches, salads, or leftovers from dinner are inexpensive and easy options. Not only will you save money, but you will also have more control over what you eat. Take the $200 you save monthly and invest it. Over time, this simple habit can significantly impact your financial future. A little planning can go a long way in saving and growing your money. Using coupons and cashback apps can make a real difference in your shopping budget. Apps like Honey, Rakuten, or Ibotta help you find discounts or get money back on everyday purchases. Always check for promo codes when shopping online and take advantage of store sales. These small savings might seem insignificant at first, but they add up over time. For example, saving $10 to $20 a week through discounts and cashback could free up an extra $50, $100 a month. Invest those savings and watch them grow. Brand name products often cost significantly more than their generic counterparts, even though they're nearly identical. From groceries to cleaning supplies and over-the-counter medications, switching to generic can save you hundreds of dollars a year. For example, a box of generic cereal might cost $2 less than the branded version. If you buy multiple items weekly, those savings quickly add up. Even $20, $30 saved per shopping trip means you could invest $80, $100. Over time, this habit can make a big difference in building wealth. Gas, parking, and car maintenance costs add up fast. For short distances, consider walking or biking instead of driving. Not only will you save money, but you'll also improve your health and reduce your carbon footprint. For example, if you drive 5 miles to work and spend $5 daily on gas and parking, that's $25 a week. Biking or walking even half the time, you could save $50 or $100. Those savings to start investing, and you'll be moving closer to financial freedom. Take a look around your home. Do you have clothes you never wear, electronics gathering dust, or furniture you don't need? Selling these items online on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Depop can put extra cash in your pocket. Even a small decluttering session could bring in $100, $200. Use this money as your initial investment fund. Plus, you'll enjoy a cleaner, more organized space while growing your wealth. It's a win-win. Many people overpay for their mobile phone plans without realizing it. Review your plan to see if you're using all the data or features you're paying for. Switching to a smaller provider or a prepaid plan can save you $20 or $50 a month. For example, if you currently pay $80 and switch to a $40 plan, that's 400 dates a year saved. Redirect those savings into investments and let compound interest grow your money over time. If you live in an area with reliable public transportation, consider using it instead of driving. Monthly bus or train passes are often far cheaper than gas, insurance, and parking costs. For instance, if you spend $200 on driving expenses monthly, but a transit pass costs $100, you're saving $100. That's $200 a year you could invest. Over time, these small savings can grow into a significant investment portfolio. Many devices consume electricity even when turned off, known as phantom power. Unplug chargers, TVs, or other electronics when not in use, or use a smart power strip. This simple habit can lower your electricity bill by $10, $20 a month. While it may not seem like much, that $120, $240 annually can be redirected into investments. Over years, with the power of compound interest, even this small change can significantly impact your wealth. Hiring professionals for minor home repairs or maintenance tasks can be costly. Instead, learn basic DIY skills through online tutorials. Fixing a leaky faucet or painting a room yourself could save you $50 to $100. Even something as simple as maintaining your car's tire pressure can improve fuel efficiency and save money. Use these savings to invest and grow your wealth. Plus, learning new skills can be rewarding and empowering. For items you rarely use, like tools, books, or special equipment, consider borrowing instead of buying. Like your local library, borrow from friends, or use sharing platforms. For example, borrowing a power drill for a one-time project can save you $50, $100. Redirect those savings into your investment fund. Borrowing not only saves money, but also reduces clutter and promotes sustainability. Impulse buying is one of the biggest drains on your wallet. Before making any unplanned purchase, implement a 24-hour rule. Wait a day to see if you still feel it's necessary. Often the urge will pass, saving you $20, $50, or even more per month. Redirect this saved money into investments where it can grow over time. Controlling impulse spending is a small habit with a big financial impact. For non-perishable items like toiletries, cleaning supplies, or pantry staples, buying in bulk can save significant money over time. While the upfront cost might be higher, the cost per unit is much lower. For example, buying a year's worth of paper towels in bulk might save $50 compared to purchasing smaller packages monthly. Use the money you save to start or increase your investments, turning everyday savings into future wealth. Going to the store without a shopping list can lead to overspending on unnecessary items. Plan your meals for the week, make a list of only what you need, and stick to it. Avoid shopping when hungry, as this often leads to impulse buys. By planning and avoiding extras, you can save $20 to $50 per week on groceries. It's up to $200 a month you could invest instead. Over time, this small habit can lead to a big financial growth. Instead of paying for expensive movie tickets, concerts, or subscriptions, look for free or low-cost entertainment options. Many communities offer free events, outdoor movie nights, or public concerts. Libraries often lend movies, music, and books for free. Even hiking or picnicking in a local park can be a fun, zero-cost activity. Saving $20, $50 a month on entertainment can help you build your investment fund faster. Before discarding something broken, consider repairing it. Whether it's clothing, electronics, or furniture, small fixes often cost much less than buying new. Learn basic repair skills or use services like shoe cobblers or electronics repair shops. For example, fixing a cracked phone screen might cost $50 compared to $500 for a new phone. Save the difference and invest it. This mindset not only saves money, but also promotes sustainability. For clothing, furniture, or electronics, consider buying secondhand instead of new. Thrift stores, online marketplaces, and garage sales offer quality items at a fraction of the cost. For instance, buying a gently used couch might save you $200 and $300 compared to a new one. Redirect those savings into investments to grow your wealth. Secondhand shopping is budget-friendly, eco-conscious, and a great way to stretch your money further. Buying bottled water regularly can cost one thrice per bottle, adding up to $50 or more a month if you are not careful. Instead, invest in a reusable water bottle and fill it at home. Not only will you save money, but you'll also reduce plastic waste. Even a modest $50 monthly saving invested over time can grow significantly thanks to compound interest. Small, sustainable changes can have a big financial impact. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Let's grow together.